So it's a really nice day out. I actually got a sweatshirt on, but I'm getting kind of warm. See, the trees are turning. Really nice fall day. So the first part was, it did take me a while to get this corner here, to figure out exactly how I was doing it. It because my drip edge goes down into below the roof, it was like no way I could really step it down with no vulnerability. So there is a vulnerable spot there. So what I ended up doing was taking some silicone and running a bead across here. It's about 4-inch area that's vulnerable. So I ran that down there. I ran extra, but hopefully this will do it. And then the other thing I did was did a diversion. So imagine the water coming down here, hits here, and then comes out here. So two things: silicone the vulnerable area, ran these as tight as I could, and then secondly, trying to divert any water coming down through there. Now there is a third step, is we're going to have a cap over this, but that doesn't stop something from getting in there and trying to follow it down through. So it's not a perfect situation, but I do think I'm going to be okay. If I'm not, this is the area. It's this 4-inch spot right in here that is going to need some probably Geico or something if I have to. I'll come up here with some Geico and Geico the heck out of it. But I think I'm okay. I don't have the Geico here, so I used some silicone that I did have. It's white, it'll go clear, and I think I'll be okay. Maybe I'll put a little bit more on once this dries. It's kind of hard to get it in there because it's just so narrow, but I think I got it, and I think we'll be okay, but we'll keep an eye on that. Okay, so the step flashing is going really well. It is tricky. You have to measure how high you need it on each side. I'm going for a 5.5-inch overlap onto the roof, and I started off with 2 screws in each one, but now I'm doing along the edge here. So right now I'm doing 3 screws in each one. I'm going to do a couple more, and then we'll be able to switch to the other. We'll leave that open up there, but I think we'll be okay since we're towards the top. And if a little bit of snow blows in there, it's okay. It's kind of like a vet area for our roof. Okay, so it's going really well. I'm running low on battery, so I'm going to go down and get another battery. Maybe do 1 or 2 pieces, and then I need to quit for this morning and move on to my other job. Okay, looking good though.